seen this one yesterday, and now it walked past our tent, heading towards the other tent.
So yeah, we're here at Etty Bay. We go out here, out to the Bruce Highway, down here, turn left, and down to Cassowaries Beach.
Let's have a look what's in there. This is Bingle Bay. That's where we camped last time. We were in this area, Bingle Bay. There's a sign in here to be very careful while driving, because a friendly one walks around here. We are heading to Cassowaries Bay. There's a creek in there. We're going to try to catch a fish. We gotta do fishing, huh? I love my fishing. So that's part of camping, is to go fishing. I don't know how long it will take. Maybe 30 minutes from here to Cassowaries Bay. It's 10:30 already. What's this bar? These look like grapes.
We're growing grape. No, it's passion fruit.
Oh, passion.
Can't you see them?
Yeah, they are hanging.
Can you see?
Little
Can you see
Wow.
the passion fruits?
No iPhone.
And you cannot steal them because
Electric.
somebody owns them. So stop thinking that way.
Hey, I wasn't thinking that way. I was just saying there's no ripe ones.
Oh look, there's a cassowary
Where?
back there. Concrete one.
We have a real one coming in our tent every day, morning and also in the afternoon.
Usually the time is about Cassowary o'clock.
Yeah. So we're just gonna look at 4 o'clock, Cassowary o'clock, or 8 o'clock, between 7 and 8. This morning we felt really tired. We didn't get up early and we missed our friend.
There's camping
There's a
in
camping. Is this where Barry and Sue? Probably. They came here, right?
there. Probably.
Turtle nesting area.
Yeah, sailed all past these places coming.
Sharing the beach with the birds. Birds nesting on the beach too. So we need to be very careful.
Liverpool Creek,
So we're here. We need to go there. We go fishing. Look like someone's fishing.
got a turtle.
Oh,
Oh, it's a dog. Oh, it's a dog.
Jesus. A turtle, it's a dog. No swimming. Crocodile in here. And that's Cassowaries Beach. There's Defence Support North Queensland military training area.
Oh, can I go there?
You wanna go there? You wanna be trained?
No, I want to be an actor.
That's a nice place to have a training right next to the water.
Yeah, they train cassowaries, see? Up the side. They train cassowaries to peck the enemy's eyes out.
No, they used
I was a bit scared yesterday when
Live military range, live firing, do not enter, live bombs,
Don't say
laser
bombs.
hazard.
No, it says I can't see
Live bombs.
laser.
It says
Oh
live
yeah,
bombs.
that's right. I thought you made it up himself.
Yeah, me too.
Is it the turn off to that creek? We can do fishing here.
Boat ramp here.
Probably a crocodile.
By the looks of it, there's
Oh yes. Oh yes. This is what we've been looking for, a creek so that we can go fishing. I think we need to park.
I'd say that's the boat ramp.
Yeah.
What'd you get back?
Some sort of boat ramp. I'm not even sure if you can eat that. I'm not sure if you can eat
Stop moving it. Oh, you don't know that? But
It's only a glass of wine.
Maybe
We go to the Kurrimine Beach.
Cairns Beach.
Yeah.
Cafe.
There's a dine in there. It's nice knife and fork. Here we are. We're in Kurrimine Beach. It's to what do you call those? Those are Franklin Islands.
So, Dunk Island there, Mission Beach there, Bingle Bay is around the corner of that point, I think.
We're not that far from Bingle Bay.
bingo,
Bingo.
bingo, 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 bingo.
Fish and chips, is that?
Close.
Tractor.
It's close. A lot of places are closed. We're in Kurrimine Beach.
What do you want out there?
I would like hamburgers, take some fish.
How about pizza?
This one? Wow, tide's quite out. We got burger from the get some burger here from the coffee shop there. That's a nice burger. No. Beef burger. Inside we got chicken burger. Very nice.
That could be Bingle Bay over there.
Yeah, I think it's in this bit here that.
Yeah, where that yacht is.
Yeah, because remember that was the corner going into Mission Beach. Yeah. be.
I wonder what they're getting.
Come on, let's go. Look. Maybe I can film
Interesting
things
too.
just like
Yeah, it would be nice. Go have a look.
Bye.
Weird. It's like Whoopi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hey. Hello. Very friendly.
Ba't ba yung sama siya?